of m. We want to solve for m. So here, let us make the bases the same on the left side first. We can make this one the base 2 base 3. So 3 raised to power 2 times m. No, how many? Yeah, 3 raised to power 3, not 2. 3 raised to power 2 times m plus 3 raised to power 3m minus 5 equal to 49. Now we let this m 3m, so let 3m be y. So instead of 3 raised to power 3m, we put y. So we have y plus y minus 5. The answer is 49. It's okay. So this is a 5. This is a whole number. You like times 2 again? Together. So also draw this one. Make sure your work is neat. So now we are going to have 2y equal to, when this one comes to, we add. So we will have 54. So you divide by 2. We want the value of y. Divided by 2. So it's y equal to 27. But we said that y equal to 3 raised to 3m. That's what we said. So what does that mean? It means that this y, which is 3m, equal to this, because y equal to 27, y equal to this. So what it means is that 3 raised to 3m equal to 27. That's what it means. So it also means that 3 raised to 3m equal to 3 raised to power 3. Now the base is, this one is called the base and this is the power. This is the base and this is the power. So the bases are the same. We ignore the bases and then we have 3m equal to 3. Therefore divided by 3 and the m equal to 1. So if you want to know that the answer is correct, take the value of m here and substitute it on the answer. 27 times raised to power 1, the answer is 27. 27, 3, and then 3 what? 3m, that is 3 to repeat. So 3 raised to power this 27. 27 plus 27, the answer is 54. 54 minus 5, the answer is 49. And then it tells you that you are right.